Hello, kid. Well, have you ever seen a fish flying in the air or a camel swimming? No, right? Because different animals have got different types of body due to which they can travel either on air, water, or land. Similarly, the vehicles also have got particular type of bodies which help them to travel on land, water, or air. So let's find out which are the vehicles. Let me tell you a story about Ripu. Well, Ripu and his family had planned for a vacation in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, all of them were super excited. So, on the day of departure, they went to the airport. Do you know why? It's because they decided to travel by an aeroplane. So, we go to an airport to avail the aeroplane. Well, it was the first journey of Ripu in an aeroplane. He was so excited that he went and sat by the window seat. Now he could feel that the aeroplane was moving. It moved a while on the runway and finally took off. It was such an amazing experience for him. Well, sitting by the window seat, he could see the beautiful white clouds in the blue sky, the small tiny buildings, even the checkered fields. And by the time he would realize anything, it was almost over. And the plane was about to land. So then he heard the announcement that the plane was landing and they had reached Port Blair, that is in Andaman. Now, after coming out of the airport, they took a local vehicle, that is the car. So the car picked them up and dropped them to the nearby hotel. So while traveling, Ripu could see the beautiful green scenery and the blue sea, which were far away. He couldn't stop himself to go to the sea. So they quickly reached the hotel, and after freshening up, they took a car to go to the sea beach. After they reached the sea beach, they could see that the water was very beautiful. It was blue in color, it was transparent, and also there were some small boats on them. Do you know why the boats were there? Well, it's because the boats were used for sightseeing. So they used to take the tourists to the middle of the sea and take them back as well. So they also decided to go for a boat ride. So they told the car to stop at the beach and they took a boat and went to the middle of the sea. Well, when they went there, they could see small hills far away and almost the bottom of the ocean because the water was so very transparent. So even the boat ride was very exciting for Ripu and his family. Then the car dropped them back into the hotel. The next day was a big day. Do you know why? Because they had planned to go to the nearby islands. So what did they do? Well, they boarded a ship. The ship was supposed to take them to the different islands. So this was a mode of transport which could travel on water just like the boat, but it was bigger than the boat and it could go to faraway places. So the ship took them to the different islands which were near to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So there they saw all the historical buildings, monuments, and there were lots of places for sightseeing. So finally, after that, Ripu and his family came back to Kolkata in a ship. But this time Ripu saw that the ship took a longer time compared to the aeroplane. So here we saw the different forms of transport which travel on water, air and land. So what are they? Let's know them. First we saw the ship which travels on water. Even we saw the boats as well, which traveled on water. Then we have the aeroplane, which flew in the air. And finally, we saw the cars, which traveled on land. Now, in the beginning of the story, we saw that Rippu and his family had taken an aeroplane, which flew in the air. So, this is a form of transport which travels in air. Now, do you know why an aeroplane can fly in the air just like a bird? It's because the aeroplane has got a body which is very similar to a bird. What are they? Well, if you see, the bird has a narrow body. Similarly, the aeroplane also has a narrow body. Not only that, the birds have got wings. The aeroplane also have got wings. The bird has a tail. The aeroplane also has a tail. So, we see over here that just like a bird, an aeroplane has a narrow body, wings and tail. So, that's why it can fly in the air just like a bird. Similarly, we also have other forms of transport which fly in the air, like the helicopter. The helicopter also flies in the air and help human beings to travel from one place to another. Now, have you ever seen a car flying in the air? No, right? Every vehicle cannot fly in the air like an aeroplane because every vehicle has a different type of body which helps it to travel either in air, water or land. For example, we saw the cars that were used by Rippu's family to travel from the airport to the hotel as well as for sightseeing. If you have noticed that these cars traveled on land. They didn't fly in the air like an aeroplane. Do you know why is that? Because these vehicles have got some special features which help them to travel on the land. So what are these special features? Well, these are known as wheels. The cars move on wheels which help them to roll over the land. Now, we also have got some other forms of transport which travel on land because they also have got wheels like cars. So, what are they? Well, they are the bike, cycle rickshaw, bicycle, truck and auto rickshaw. Now, if you look here carefully, you will find that all of these vehicles have got wheels like cars. So, these are the forms of transport which travel on land. Now, we had seen that they had travelled on the boat and on the ship. And these forms of transport travel on water. Now, how can they travel on water? Have you ever seen something floating on water like a lotus leaf? What do you see over here? Well, this leaf can float on water because it is very light. So, for traveling on water, the vehicles need to be light. Not only that, if you see over here in the boat, there is a boatman who, with the help of the oars, is pushing the boat forward. So, this is how the boat travels on the water. Now what about the ship? Do you see the boatman with the oars over here as well? Not really, because the ship is a bigger form of transport compared to boat, and over here they have got engines which help the ship to travel on water. So I have a question for you. Which of the following is a mode of transport on water? Is it option 1, aeroplane, option 2, ship, or option 3, bus? Let me tell you. Well, the first option over here is the aeroplane. And where does it travel? Well, it travels in air. So, aeroplane is a wrong option. Now, coming to bus, we have seen that it travels on land. So, bus is also a wrong option. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is the ship, which travels on water. So, there are some modes of transport which travel in air, land, and water. So, in this way, we find out that different forms of transport travel differently. Like an aeroplane travels in air, a ship travels on water, and a bus travels on land. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.